It's a certified 2016 MINI Cooper Countryman. This Clubman has the looks and friskiness of a Mini in a larger package. That means 4 doors, ample cargo space, and loads of fun. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Manual transmission, leather steering wheel, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, manual tilting steering column, power heated mirrors, external memory control, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com proclaims the Countryman still upholds the traits identified with this brand, such as distinctive styling, nimble handling, and countless customization possibilities. Mini lets motor. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.